Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of AI algorithms and their role in creating mesmerizing visual effects. Get ready to be amazed as we unveil the magic behind these incredible creations. Without further ado, let's explore the secrets that make our favorite visual effects come to life. First, what are AI algorithms? Before we dive into the specifics of AI algorithms for visual effects, let's start with a quick overview. AI algorithms, or artificial intelligence algorithms, are complex mathematical formulas that enable computers to perform intelligent tasks, such as pattern recognition, decision-making, and problem-solving, emulating human-like cognitive abilities. Second, the role of AI algorithms in visual effects. When it comes to visual effects, AI algorithms play a crucial role in transforming ordinary footage into extraordinary cinematic experiences. These algorithms can enhance, modify, or create entirely new visual elements, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in filmmaking and digital art. Third, AI-assisted computer vision. One area where AI algorithms truly shine is in computer vision. By analyzing and understanding the content of images or videos, AI algorithms can seamlessly integrate computer-generated elements into real-world scenes. This capability is key to creating realistic and immersive visual effects. Fourth, deep learning and neural networks. Deep learning is a subfield of AI that enables computers to learn from vast amounts of data. Neural networks, inspired by the structure of the human brain, are the backbone of deep learning. By training neural networks on massive datasets, AI researchers can teach these algorithms to recognize patterns and generate visually stunning effects. Fifth, examples of AI-powered visual effects. From blockbuster movies to popular TV shows, AI algorithms have become an integral part of the visual effects industry. They can be used to create realistic characters, simulate natural phenomena like fire or water, or even generate entire virtual worlds. Just think about the mind-blowing creatures in Avatar, or the breathtaking landscapes of Game of Thrones. Sixth, challenges and future prospects. While AI algorithms have revolutionized the world of visual effects, there are still challenges to overcome. The development of realistic and intelligent AI-powered effects requires massive computing power, extensive training data, and skilled artists to harness the algorithm's potential. However, as technology advances, the future looks promising, with even more impressive visual effects on the horizon. And there you have it, folks. We've peeled back the curtain and revealed some of the fascinating algorithms that make visual effects truly magical. From AI-assisted computer vision to deep learning and neural networks, these advancements are reshaping the way we experience movies, TV shows, and digital art. So, the next time you're blown away by stunning visual effects, remember the remarkable role that AI algorithms play in bringing those visions to life. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more captivating content.